So question number 16 and 17 we are going to do now. In question number 16, what is happening? There are 7 prizes to be given to kids, right? And the total money is 700 rupees. So 700 has to be distributed among 7 people. So number of people is 7. 700 is the total prize money. But this 700 is not equally divided. What is given is that the first prize and second prize and third prize, they are 20 less than the preceding ones. Okay. So we are assuming the first prize is X. Second prize, it's given that is 20 rupees less than the first prize. So your second prize will become X minus 20. Third prize will become X minus 40. Fourth prize X minus 60, and so on and so forth. So since the sum is given, we can use the formula for sum, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So 7 prizes are there. So I am using n as 7. What is the first prize? That is X. And n is 7. Common difference is negative 20, right? X minus 20 minus of X. So X and minus X will get cancelled and the common difference will be negative 20. Okay. So don't write positive 20 because common difference is always second term minus first term. So when I do second minus first, I'll get negative 20. So substitute the value of S7, 700. A value is X. Common difference is minus 20. So what will happen? 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into common difference, okay, is going to be negative 120. So this is 7. 7 minus 1, 6. So this is negative 120 and multiplied by 2x. 2x minus 120, okay, not multiplied, this is x. So 2x minus 120. And this 2 I have cross multiplied with the 700 here. This is going to become 1400. 1400. So 1407 we can cancel. 7 goes 200 times. Now 200 is 2x minus 120. So negative 120 transfers this side, we'll get 320. So 2x is 320. So x value will be 160. Therefore conclusion, first prize 160. Second prize will be 20 less than that, 140. Third prize will be again 20 less than that, 120, and so on. You can get all the value of the 7 prizes. In question number 17, what is given is that in a school, class 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12, class 1 students or all the classes are having 3 sections, right? Every class is having 3 sections. Now depending on their class, they are planting that many number of trees. So class 1 kids are planting 1 tree each. Class 1 kids are planting 1 tree. And how many sections are there? 3. So 1A, 1B, 1C, all the 3 sections are going to plant 1 each. So total number of trees is 3. Then in class 2 also there are 3 sections. So class 2 kids are planting how many trees? 2 trees. So 2 trees each by the 3 sections. So total number of trees planted 6. Similarly, class 3 kids will plant 3 trees and there are 3 sections. So that will become 9. And this goes on up to class 12. And class 12 kids are planting 12 trees each. Each section is planting 12 trees. So the 3 sections together will give us 36 trees. And the question is, what is the total number of trees planted by the school? So you have the first term 3, common difference is also 3. And we have the number of terms as 12 because there are 12 classes. So I am using the formula S12, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. That is 6. Common difference is how much? 3. And the first term is also 3. So I am putting that value here. We get 6 plus 33. That is 39. So total number of trees planted by the school will be 234 trees, right? 234 trees are planted by the students of this school.